Hello viewers, in this channel we learn about easy and shortcut way for Max. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching our channel. Hi viewers, in this class we will learn about linear inequalities topic. This topic varies 4 marks. In this problem, how many liters of water will have to be added? 1125 liters of the 45% solution of acid. So that the resulting mixture will be contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid solution, acid content solution given. Let X liters to be added. X liters to be the acid content is. In which the acid content is 45% of 1125 liters. Equal to 1125 into 0.45 by 45%, then 0.45 by 1125 plus X. Then this lies between 25% to 30%. Then 0.25 less than equal to 1125 into 0.45 by 1125 plus X less than equal to 0.3. By cross multiplication we get 0.25 into 1125 plus X less than equal to 1125 into 0.45 less than equal to 0.3 into 1125 plus X. Then we have to multiply this. Now this equation splits into two terms. Then we get 281.25 plus 0.25x less than or equal to 506.25. Then 0.25x less than or equal to 506.25 minus 281.25. 225. Then x less than or equal to 225 by 25. 900. And this next term is 506.25 less than or equal to 337.5 plus 0.3x. Then 506.25 minus 337.5. Then 0.3x greater than or equal to 168.75. Then x greater than or equal to 562.5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 900. Then this value lies between these two terms. Please note down.